So we have an assortment of patterns, pre-cuts, notions, everything that you need for general sewing as well as quilting. Our fabrics are organized by theme, such as nautical or batik, which we sell a lot of in the summer because we're a coastal community. We're in the village of Wickford. Come back and I'll show you some of our favorite fabrics. So we have Tula Pink, Anna Maria, and of course, one of my favorites, K-Facet. We love our Jaftex fabrics. And we also offer a large selection of classes. So we tend to get beginning quilters, so we have a whole beginning quilting series, as well as smaller workshops and items like this cork bag, pet placemat, Venice placemats. We have a block of the month club, some improv quilting, as well as our 3-yard Christmas quilt. This is our studio space where we do most of our teaching, and we pulled a few of our Jaftex items that we'd like to show you. Meg offered this lovely Cantha carry-all bag. Free pattern is available on the website, and we had 2 different colors, black and blue. This is our Harper hold-all tote, which we love, in these fabrics from, of course, K-Facet, and Jane teaches that class. We've pulled a few more of our free spirit favorites. As you can see, we have charm packs, 10-inch squares, fat quarters, and yardage to accompany all of our pre-cuts. One of our newest favorites comes from Stoff, and this is an advent calendar which then can be folded up to look like you see up there, the sample. These are 3 coordinating fabrics which go with it, so you can create the advent calendar as well as other items for your Christmas decor. As I mentioned, we work a lot with new quilters. We're trying to introduce as many people to quilting and sewing as possible. So oftentimes we'll start with pre-cuts. That way it takes out the challenge of cutting straight, or this was done actually with a jelly roll, which made this around the world quilt that Pat Harrison taught much easier. In the back we have a step down, be careful. We have fabrics from Stoff, Denmark, which we love their knits, from their Avalana sweats to their jacquards, their velours, and French terries. So we have a large selection of their knits as well. If you'd like to see more of what we offer, everything's available online at www.the-sew-op.com, and you can go to our website, and if you join our email list, you'll be one of the first to find out about our special offers as well as our weekly newsletter. So we hope to see you soon. Please come and visit us in Wickford, Rhode Island. We were just voted the best historic town by USA Today, so there's a lot to do. And our tagline is shop, dine, and play by the bay.